We're like really high up in the tree. Look at the mountain. Look at the mountain, y'all guys.
Blue Smoky Mountains. See why they call the place of the Blue
Ready to go down?
Today in particular, because it looks like a nice.
Look at the zip line.
Oh, wow, we're going down.
That's the
I know I'm getting on video.
little spark of sunshine.
That's why they call it the Smoky Mountain.
When we come down, when you were, when me, you and your daddy and them come, when you were like 8,
Located up here in
when you were like 8, we probably stayed the night to the top of that round.
Now these are the homesteads. Consistent.
Remember we were up at the
What
top?
time, Sean?
Over here on your left as we come around the bend.
She don't want to do that. He don't want to do it no more.
Their shelter. The hen house for gathering of their eggs. The smoke
What time?
containing nuclear meats.
She wants him to go.
Spring house for breakfast to keep something in your milk and butter cold. Oh yeah. There wasn't
Whoa.
It's the smallest house, but yet the most important. Does anybody know what that house may be?
Check it out.
It's the outhouse. Well, they use that.
Where's Dolly's house? I don't believe that.
They said the
You know what, boys and girls? I'm not sure what to use
Yeah,
that
that's for
outhouse
Dolly
for.
Parton.
You better ask your parents or even your grandparents. I'm sure they'll tell you.
I can't see what's in the
Out here at Dolly Mitten, they say the sky is not the limit.
That's
Oh, look at that house. No, it's not.
We started this last year.
Dolly Parton's house right there. Right there, that's what they said it was.
I don't know, but I heard from a reliable source